Welcome to Scholarship Guidance Center, and today's topic is area standard 8 scholarship. Okay, my name is Anil Doshi sir. Today's topic is area. Okay, first see the formula for area of triangle. Area of triangle is equals to half into base into height. Okay, all of you know this formula very well. Okay, then area of right angle triangle. What is right angle triangle? See, one angle is right angle. Okay, if one angle of triangle is right angle, then this is what? Base, and this is height. Is it right? Then see, your area of right angle triangle is equals to same formula, half into this base multiplied by height, or base into height upon 2. Okay, you can write in this way, b into h, base into height divided by 2. Then area of equilateral triangle. What is meant by equilateral? Equilateral means if all three sides are congruent, then that is known as equilateral triangle. Okay, how to find out area of equilateral triangle? Root 3 upon 4 multiply by side square. Okay, suppose side is 4, then your answer is root 3 by 4 into 4 square. Is it right? Again, area of triangle is equals to base into height upon 2. See, this formula is, okay, base into height upon 2. Then see, next formula is square. What is square? If all four sides, okay, of four sides of quadrilateral are congruent and all four angles are, what is that? Right angle, then it is known as square. All of you know this. Then all angles are right angle, that is 90 degree. All sides are congruent. Suppose this side is A, then this is also A, this side is also A. All four sides are congruent. How to find out area of square? Area of square is equals to side square. Remember this formula. Or another formula is area of square is equals to diagonal square upon 2. Diagonal means this BD square upon 2. Okay, that means BD, diagonal is BD. Okay, BD square डिवाइडेड बाय 2. आप लोग इधर एक गलती करते हैं. क्या करना है? देखो, मैंने क्या लिखा है फॉर्मूला, डायगोनल स्क्वायर अपॉन 2 है. तो आप लोग क्या करते हैं? डायगोनल लिखते हैं, सपोज 10 है, उसके बाद 2 लिखते हैं और इसका स्क्वायर करते हैं. तो ये गलत है. हाँ, ये गलती मत करना, नहीं तो क्या होता है, सब मालूम रहता है, फिर भी हमारे ये गलती की वजह से क्या हो जाता है, मार्क्स कट जाता है. ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट फॉर्मूला इज डायगोनल इज इक्वल्स टू root 2 into side. Remember, diagonal of square is equals to root 2 multiply by side, and side is equals to, see here, this root 2 multiply gets divide here, that is diagonal upon root 2. Okay, diagonal upon root 2, that is side. Okay, how this formula comes here? A square plus a square is equals to diagonal square by Pythagoras theorem. 2a, a means what? Side. Remember this, a means what? Side of square. Okay, side square plus side square is equals to diagonal square. That means 2 into a square, 2 side square is equals to diagonal square. By taking square roots, 2 का स्क्वायर रूट क्या आएगा? रूट 2, और a स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर रूट a इज इक्वल्स टू क्या आएगा? डायगोनल स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर रूट डायगोनल. ओके. देन नेक्स्ट वन इज रेक्टेंगल. व्हाट इज रेक्टेंगल? इफ ऑल फोर एंगल्स आर राइट एंगल, दैट मीन्स 90 डिग्री, and opposite sides are congruent. Okay, that is known as rectangle. Then how to find out perimeter of rectangle? Perimeter of rectangle formula is 2 in bracket length plus breadth. Suppose AB is length and BC is breadth. 2 in bracket length plus breadth, that is the formula for perimeter of rectangle. Remember this formula. Then how to find out length of rectangle? Length of rectangle is equals to perimeter divided by 2 minus breadth. Remember, perimeter divided by 2 minus breadth, and breadth of rectangle is formula is perimeter divided by 2 minus length. ये breadth की बदले क्या लेना है? खाली length. Okay. Now what is the formula for area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. Remember this formula. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Okay, length multiplied by breadth, that is the area of rectangle. Means A is equals to, suppose length is capital L, breadth is capital B, L into B. Then how to find out diagonal of rectangle? Remember this formula, under root L square plus B square, that is the formula for diagonal of rectangle. Remember this. How to find out diagonal? Under root L square plus B square. Okay. Then length is equals to area upon breadth. Remember this formula also. Length of rectangle is equals to area upon breadth, and breadth of rectangle is equals to area upon length, vice versa. Okay. Then next is area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is equals to base multiplied by height. What is parallelogram? See, opposite sides are parallel. These opposite sides are parallel and congruent. That is known as parallelogram. Okay, and opposite angles are also congruent. Remember, in parallelogram, opposite angles are also congruent. Okay. Now base of parallelogram is equals to area upon height, and height of parallelogram is equals to area upon base. ये पैरेललोग्राम का हाइट कैसे निकालेंगे? देखो, ये परपेंडिकुलर अगर इधर ड्रॉ करते हैं तो इट इज द हाइट ऑफ दिस पैरेललोग्राम. ओके. देन नेक्स्ट फॉर्मूला इज एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपेजियम. ओके, ट्रेपेजियम किसको बोलते हैं? देखो, ये अपोजिट साइड्स आर पैरेलल है, बराबर, ये पैरेलल नहीं है. एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपेजियम इज इक्वल्स टू हाफ इंटू सम ऑफ पैरेलल साइड्स इंटू हाइट. हाफ इंटू सम ऑफ पैरेलल साइड्स. सपोज दिस साइड DC is A and AB is small b, then what is the area of trapezium? Half into this A plus B multiply by, suppose this is B is height. Okay, height means H, multiply by H. That means half into sum of parallel sides into height. This is the formula for area of trapezium. Remember this. Then the sum of parallel sides of trapezium is equals to area multiplied by 2 in divided by height. That means A to A. 2A means 2 into area upon H. Remember, 2A upon H. Okay. And how to find the height of trapezium? Height of trapezium, area into 2 upon sum of parallel sides. Okay. Then next formula is perimeter of rhombus is equals to 4 into side. What is mean by rhombus? What is mean by rhombus? If all 4 sides of quadrilaterals are congruent, that means DA is equals to DC is equals to BC is equals to AB. That is what? Rhombus. Okay. Area of rhombus. What is the formula for area of rhombus? Half into product of diagonals. Suppose this diagonal is D1 and AC this diagonal is D2. Then area of rhombus is equals to half into D1 into D2. Okay. And side of rhombus is equals to under root. Remember this formula. If we have to ask find the side of rhombus, then under root D1 by 2 square plus D2 upon 2 square. That means diagonal 1 upon 2 to the whole square plus diagonal 2 upon 2 to the whole square. And perimeter of rhombus formula is 4 into side. Okay. Remember this formula also. First, second and third. Area of kite is equals to half into the product of the length of diagonals. Remember, how to find out area of kite? Area of kite is equals to half into the product of the length of diagonals. Okay. Then area of circle, you know formula for area of circle, that is pi r square. Suppose this is circle, this is radius of circle, pi r square. And area of semicircle, semi means see half of circle, area of semicircle, that is half pi r square. इसका हाफ करना है. ठीक है, हाफ सर्कल हुआ ना, तो इसका हाफ करने का एरिया का. ठीक है. देन द अल्टीट्यूड और हाइट ऑफ एन इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल. सपोज इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल इज देयर. सपोज दिस इज एन इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल. देन वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट अल्टीट्यूड मीन्स दिस हाइट, height of equilateral triangle. How to find out height of equilateral triangle? Root 3 by 2 into side. Remember, root 3 by 2 into side. Side of equilateral triangle is congruent. Side means suppose A. Okay. And therefore your formula is root 3 by 2 into A or side. Okay. Then area of sector. What is the formula for area of sector? Suppose this angle is theta. Okay, this is sector. Okay, this whole part is a sector. Okay, and this angle is suppose theta. Then theta upon 360 into pi r square. That is the formula for area of sector. Is it right? Then next is if the side of sphere is double. अगर स्क्वायर का साइड डबल किया, then its area becomes 4 times. मी सपोज पहले स्क्वायर का साइड 4 था, तो साइड अगर 8 करते, ओके, साइड इज डबल, देन एरिया क्या होगा? एरिया बिकम्स 4 टाइम्स. पहले एरिया सपोज 30 रहेगा, तो बाद में कितना रहेगा? 32 4 जा 120. ओके, तो एरिया क्या होता है? 4 टाइम्स होता है. इफ द साइड ऑफ स्क्वायर इज डबल, इट्स एरिया बिकम्स 4 times, remember this. Then if the side of square is made 3 times, अभी देखो स्क्वायर का साइड पहले a था, मैंने क्या किया 3a किया, 3 times मीन्स 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय साइड, ओके. देन द एरिया बिकम्स 9 times. कितना होता है एरिया? 9 times. द एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल डज नॉट चेंज इफ द लेंथ इज डबल एंड ब्रेड्थ इज हाफ. देखो रेक्टेंगल के बारे में, अगर उसका लेंथ क्या किया, डबल किया एंड ब्रेड्थ हाफ किया तो एरिया उसका चेंज नहीं होता है. एरिया डज नॉट चेंज. ओके, रिमेंबर दिस थिंग, द एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल डज नॉट चेंज इफ द लेंथ इज डबल अँड ब्रेड्थ इज हाफ. म्हणजे त्याची लेंथ डबल केली आणि ब्रेड्थ हाफ केली तर एरिया तेवढाच राहतो, चेंज होत नाही. इफ लेंथ अँड ब्रेड्थ ऑफ रेक्टेंगल इज डबल इट्स एरिया बिकम्स 4 times. रिमेंबर, अगर लेंथ एंड ब्रेड्थ दोनों डबल किया तो एरिया कितना होता है? 4 times. द एरिया ऑफ सर्कल बिकम्स 4 times ऑन डबलिंग इट्स रेडियस. अभी सर्कल है, समझो सर्कल का रेडियस मैंने डबल किया, 2r किया, तो एरिया कितना होता है? पहले जो था उससे 4 times. एरिया बिकम्स 4 times. इफ रेडियस ऑफ सर्कल इज डबल देन एरिया बिकम्स 4 times. ओके, एरिया कितना बढ़ेगा? 4 times बढ़ेगा. ठीक है. देन रिमेंबर दिस कन्वर्शंस. 1 meter square is equals to 10,000 centimeter square. Okay, 1 air is equals to 100 meter square. Okay, 1 air is equals to 100 meter square. Then 1 hectare is equals to 10,000 meter square and 1 kilometer square is equals to 100 hectare. Remember all these 4 conversions. See, 1 meter square is equals to 10,000 centimeter square, 1 air is equals to 100 meter square and 1 hectare is equals to 10,000 meter square and 1 kilometer square is equals to 100 hectare. The next formula is, suppose this is a semicircle. Okay, how to find out perimeter of this semicircular part? Perimeter of semicircular part. Perimeter of this semicircle means, see, first circumference of this semicircle, okay, and plus this side, length of this side. Now this is what? Diagonal, that means D. Okay, and you know that D is equals to how much? It is 2r, that is 2 times of radius. D is equals to 2r. Now tell me what is the formula for circumference of circle? Circumference of circle, C is equals to, what is that formula? 2 pi r. Okay, C is equals to 2 pi r. लेकिन इधर देखो कितना हाफ है ना, तो इसको डिवाइड बाय क्या करेंगे हम? डिवाइडेड बाय 2. अगर डिवाइड बाय 2 करते हैं तो आंसर क्या आएगा? 2 कट होगा, बराबर. 2 गेट्स कैंसल. तो ये जो पार्ट है इसका सर्कमफेरेंस, ये जो बाउंड्री, इसका कितना आएगा? खाली पाई आर. ओके, पाई आर. इज इट राइट? इसका लेंथ कितना आएगा? पाई आर. ये लेंथ पाई आर आ गया. और ये जो लेंथ है वो कितना होगा? डी या 2r. D means diameter is equals to 2 times of radius plus 2r. pi r plus 2r. ये समझ में आया? अभी इसमें अगर हम r कॉमन निकालते हैं, देखो r कॉमन निकालते हैं तो क्या बचता है? देखो इन ब्रैकेट पाई प्लस 2, बराबर. r कॉमन निकालेंगे तो क्या बचता है? पाई प्लस 2. इफ वी फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ पाई प्लस 2, पाई का वैल्यू कितना रहता है? 22/7. Is it right? 22/7 plus 2. 2 means 2/1. अगर इसका हम क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो आंसर क्या आएगा? 22 1 जा 22, ओके, प्लस 7 2 जा 14, ओके, अपॉन 7 1 जा 7. Now 22 plus 14, 4 plus 2 6, okay, 2 plus 1 3, that is 36/7. Now we have to remember the value of pi plus 2. Pi plus 2 is 36/7. Always remember value of pi plus 2 is 36/7. अगर आप ये लर्न करोगे, रिमेंबर करोगे तो क्या होगा? आपका टाइम बचेगा, बराबर. जब भी ये प्रॉब्लम आएगा, वी हैव टू राइट द वैल्यू ऑफ pi plus 2. रिमेंबर दिस वैल्यू एज 36/7. Okay, these are some important formula regarding this chapter area. आपको ये फॉर्मूला समझ में आया रहेगा, बराबर. हाँ, और तो ये फॉर्मूला क्या करना है? वी हैव टू लर्न दैट फॉर्मूला, बाय दैट फॉर्मूला. ओके, राइट 2 और 3 times, minimum 2 or 3 times. And remember this all lines, if the side of square is made 3 times, the area becomes 9 times. Then the area of rectangle does not change if the length is double and breadth is half. If length and breadth of rectangle is double, its area becomes 4 times. The area of circle becomes 4 times on doubling its radius. ये मैं बाहर करने को क्यों बोल रहा हूँ? अगर इसके ऊपर क्वेश्चन आता है तो आपको कुछ भी कैलकुलेशन करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, आप डायरेक्टली क्या लिख सकते हैं, आंसर लिख सकते हैं. ओके, दिस इज पार्ट फर्स्ट ऑफ चैप्टर एरिया. अभी पार्ट सेकेंड में हम क्या देखेंगे, इसके प्रॉब्लम्स रिगार्डिंग दिस. ओके.